Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a pretty long time since I last filmed, probably like 1 or 2 months ago, and not gonna lie, I kind of put YouTube on the back burner, but I'm back and I'm so excited because this is gonna be the start of my little like Halloween fall series. I know it's really late, Halloween's like in a few days, but I'm trying to push out these videos as quick as I can. So yeah, and today we're starting with Puffy Ghosts. I really love this craft because it's so simple. Like literally anyone can do it no matter how much skill or experience you have with this kind of stuff. So without further ado, let's get started. What you'll need for these puffy ghosts are cardstock paper, liquid school glue, this can be white or like I'm using clear, cotton balls, black construction paper, and a pair of scissors. Print out the outline of a ghost on the sheet of cardstock paper. I'll leave a link in the description of the ghost template I use, and just go ahead and cut that out. Don't worry about being perfect, it'll be covered up in cotton balls anyway. I decided to make 2 of these. Grab your cotton balls, you'll probably need a lot. I use maybe like around 30-35 per ghost, and glue those on. Here I'm kind of just like going ham with the glue, but I wouldn't really recommend that. On the next ghost, I made an outline first and then filled in the center, which worked a lot better. You can also stretch out the cotton balls to cover more surface area. This is pretty smart if you're running on a time crunch. Just finishing up the last cotton ball and we're done. Now take a sheet of construction paper. This is probably around like 3 by 3, it doesn't really matter, but we're gonna make the face out of this. Now I'm looking back and I see a little fuzz on my finger. That's embarrassing, but yeah, draw out the shape for the eyes. I did kind of like an oval X shape for mine. Because we folded the paper earlier, each oval you draw will make 2 eyes, but since I was making 2 ghosts, I ended up drawing 2. Unfold the paper, you can go ahead and trim off all this excess, but we're going to be making the ghost's mouths with this. So draw a semicircle to make a smile if you want, and then I also drew an oval to make kind of a face. Cut those out as well. Now that we have all the parts for our ghost face, we can glue these on. I would definitely recommend to add glue to the back of the paper instead of to the cotton balls because that can get pretty messy and just don't want to deal with that. And ta-da! Our little ghost friend is complete. Aren't they so cute? You can also add a little piece of string or twine to the top so you can hang it on your door or whatever you'd like. Alright, here's the other one I made. Let me know down below in the comments which one's your favorite. So that pretty much wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I appreciate every single one of you. As I said at the beginning of this video, the rest of the week will be filled with all fall and Halloween related things. This is like my favorite time of the year, so watch out for those. And I'll see you next time. Bye!